YouTube, Dr. Evette here. Okay, today's video is just a short one, but it's me in the garden, what I tend to do every day. You know, when you're retired, you have way more time than what you think. So I am able to get out in my garden almost every day. And it's a relaxing moment for me. And I am so surprised about that because I was high touch in my previous job. I had to deal with people, faculty, and students almost every day. So to have days where I interact with no one, I'm very surprised about, and I'm spending the day in my garden. But here I am just working with my coleus. It got a little bit bigger than I expected for this pot, and I'm using some bamboo sticks that I ordered from Amazon to prop up one of the varieties of the coleus here. And I think that they are something else I will keep in my garden because I did absolutely amazing with them. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. So after dealing with my coleus, I came over to my gardenias and I started to just clean up some of the weeds around that and the pintas. And I honestly thought the gardenias were dead. And just the other day I came out and there is leaf and bloom on two of them. So when you're a new gardener and a beginning gardener, don't just give up at the first sign of the lack of life, because it could be that you need to prune it back and water it, fertilize it, and just wait for a moment, because I have discovered everything that I thought was dead just needed a little pruning. Okay, my gardeners, I can get so frustrated with the weeds that grow up in the garden beds. Here you see me pulling up weeds that have grown up around these pintas, and the pintas are the one thing that I think I did really amazing at growing through this past summer. But the weeds that continue to grow up in the garden bed, and I use gardening fabric. So I've learned a lesson. Next time I will use garden fabric and cardboard for sheet mulching, hopefully to keep some of the weeds from growing up in the garden bed. And then there's less that I have to do outside, especially outside to the garden bed.